Hey guys, today we are going to see about the Linux server discovery. So let me create the new discovery schedule for the Linux server. Here I am just type Linux server discovery. We should need to select our mid server, already created mid server. Once we submit this one, we are already having the Linux server IP address. So for every type of discovery like Windows, Linux, other kind of OSs, we are just having some IP addresses which are providing by the uh, mid server team. So we should need to ask to the mid server team, or else if we have the access for the particular mid server, we can able to get the uh, Linux, Windows, any other IP addresses from the mid server. So I will show you how do we get the IP addresses from the particular mid server in the further class. So now I just going to do the IP put the IP address for this particular discovery schedule. It's getting some issue in the instance, so it's getting slow. Now I'm going to do the quick ranges. In this quick ranges only we are giving this IP address. So we should need to ask to mid server team, and then we need to get the IP address. That is the if the ServiceNow for the ServiceNow developers, every developers they are usually asked to the mid server or any other particular team to get the IP addresses every time. So that is the thing we are usually follows. But if you have the knowledge in the virtual machine or any other physical data center, you can also have to get the IP addresses. You can also have the uh, other kind of permissions in the mid server. So I'm just taking this IP address. This IP address is related to the Linux server. So let me do the make ranges. So it's now refreshing. Once it's refreshed, the discovery IP ranges has been populated in here. Now I'm going to do the discover now. So let's check how the discovery status is working. So we are getting this error, no credentials found, because we are not configuring the credentials in credentials table. So now we are going to do the configuration for credential. So this discovery has been completed. We are getting the error. So the CMDB and the CMDB CA is not getting populated. Active couldn't this kind of things is not classified. The classification phase is not working. So now we are going to do the we are going to create the credential for the particular Linux server. So now I'm going to a credential table, discovery under discovery. We need to click the credential. We need to click the new. Before we go to the new, we can see three Windows credentials has been created. One SNMP has been created. So now we are going to create a Linux credentials. If we click new, we have the SSH credential. Whenever we create a Linux related credential, we need to click the SSH credentials option. Here we can give any other name. I can give this name Red Hat Linux. This is the username and password for the particular Linux server. So now I am just submitting this SSH credential. So let me test this one. The credential has been validated. So now I am going to do the discover now in the discovery schedule, the next discovery schedule. So now I'm going to do the discover now. The discovery number has been created at 22. So let's check whether we get error or we can able to see the CMDB CA device. Hope it will be working now. So we are getting the CA. So the device has been classified properly. The state is completed now. All the logs are also showing us good only. So this is a Linux schedule. So Linux discovery. So if you notice in the credential table, if you are noticing this error, use SSH private key credential for improved security. So the recommended uh, action should be taken for a particular Linux server. So this is we should need in the next class we are going to see this SSH private key credential. How do we create a SSH private key credential for a particular Linux server? So that's today's class. We will see the SSH private key credential in the next class. Thank you for watching my video.